Hey guys, today we will be solving this question, that is, if the ratio of cost price and selling price of an article be as 10:11, the percentage of profit is what? So we will find it. Firstly, let me tell you what is cost price and what is selling price. So if we talk about cost price, you can say there is a paper which in actual cost means the cost of the material used to make the thing and the work of labor. The both the cost will make the actual cost, that is cost price. Like you can say 5 rupees is for the material and 5 rupees is for the labor work. So that will make 10 rupees. So this is the actual cost. Yes, but if you can say there is what is selling cost. In selling cost, you can say that there is a shopkeeper, he wants a little bit profit, so he increases the price to 15, in which he will get 5 rupees profit. Yes, so here he is getting profit. Now so what is selling price consists of? It consists of the cost, that is 10 rupees over here, and also the profit. And now let us start solving the question. So again, firstly let us see the ratio, that is 10:11 of cost price and selling price. Now we have to find the percentage of profit. So the ratio is 10:11. Yes, this one is of cost price and this one is of selling price. And now we have to find the profit in percentage. Yes, we have to find the profit over here. Now what we will do, let us suppose a number that can be 4,200, and for what I am taking this number, we can take any number, and what we have to do, we can say that C plus S equals to 4,200. So like we want to find the value of C and S, that is cost and selling price. Yes, now for that we will take a number, random number. So I took 4,200. Now we have the ratio, so this will help us to find the cost price and selling price. So I hope you all know the formula. 10x plus 11x equals to 4,200, that is 21x. That will make 4,200, and now x equals to 4,200 divided by 21, and this will give you 200. So here the value of x is 200. But also see over here, not visible. Over here you can see that 10 is multiplied with x, that is 200, so we have to multiply 10 over here with 200, that is 2000. So 2000 is what? It is the cost price, and then we have to multiply 11 with the 200, that will give you 2200. And this is what? This is selling price. Now we know the cost and selling price, and over here, so not here, here only, I told you that selling price consists of cost price plus profit. So we can write it again over here. It consists of cost price plus profit. Now we know the value of this and this, but we do not know the value of this. So for finding the profit, we have to put the values of both of these, that is 2200 equals to 2000, yes, plus P, that is 200 minus 2000 equals to P, that is 200. So what is the profit? The profit is 200. Yes, now we know the profit, but what will be the percentage? So for finding the percentage, I have made another video. The video which was before this was regarding this topic only, what is percentage and how we can solve percentage related questions. So you can watch it and you will be able to know how we can solve it. Now we will find what percent is 200 of 2000. Okay, for doing this we have to multiply it with this. Now we can cut these zeros, this. Now we are left with 20 upon 2 and we will have the answer 10. So 10% is the answer of this question. Now you all will be thinking here, I chose any random number of my choice. If I will choose any other number, then also the answer will be same. So let us do it and check. So let me use another color. Now you can see that the next number is 6300, and now 10x plus 11 x equals to 6300. That will be 21x equals to 6300. Then x will be 6300 divided by 21, and this will give us 300. Yes. Now the C will be, cost will be 10 into 300, that is 3000, and then selling price will be 11 into 300, that is 3000. Yes, now the difference of both of these, that is 300. So 300 is the profit over here. You can see. Okay. So you can see over here also that we have just taken out the difference of selling price and cost price. So we will do this again, and we will get 300 as the answer. So 300 is the profit. Now the percentage will be what? We can okay. So here for taking out the percentage, we will write it as 300 upon 3000 into 100. We can cut the zeros. That is 30 upon 3, and we will get 10% again. So you can take, if you take any number, such as such as 4200 or 3, or you can say 6300 8400 9200. Any number if you will take, you will get the same answer. So now I hope you all know the answer and you also know how to solve this type of questions. So I will come back soon with a new video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.